Hi guys. Pahistory yese yechikurubi, prison has never felt this good a bit. Mai TT vasimudza materrace, even the wardens seem happy. Chero arakela ndoni kuti akaita mbiri yakadai kuti here. Please like and subscribe for more. Comedienne Mai TT believes her imprisonment is for a divine purpose, and she accepts her fate while overcoming life's hardships within the prison halls. Parali yakarongwa navaAbrahams, Mai TT recalled her past events when she visited the prison and donating toiletries and food. Vaitoimba parali, guys, vachitofara. She expressed a desire to spend the night with the inmates panguva yavakatombopa mapedzi papo, but then unfortunately her request was denied. So during the party, Mai TT was enjoying interactions with other inmates, socializing and dancing to the music. She was asked to give the vote of thanks, vachibva vatoita neprayer vachitodinamata kuti amwari maita basa nekuti pinza panguva yakadai tigodzidza zvakawanda. Imikani, she thanked the Lord for giving her the initiative to give back to the community by giving sanitary pads to the inmates the past years. This enabled her to see the living conditions in prison. After she was denied to spend the night there to show solidarity, she was very hurt, but then she was glad to be counted amongst the prisoners now through the right means, meaning being jailed properly. Vasina kukumbira kana kunyengerera munhu. Guys, as if imprisonment is proper. She's unbreakable. In her words, she says, a new chapter has started and I need more grace to enjoy while I complete my sentence. God is still in control, but it's painful. Kunorwadza prison, but yeah, I think she's going to survive these 9 months. Please like and subscribe for more. Cheers, guys.